In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day simply by posting content on social media. And soon you're going to be able to make $1,400 or more in a day because we're launching another product that you can resell and you can earn $1,400 commissions paid directly to you. If you're new here, my name is Dan and I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk. Now I just help people make money online. I'm on a mission to create 5,000 self-made millionaires. I want to help 1,000 people make $1,000,000. Long story short, I was working for this company for like 5 years and they decided to cut our pay in half. And that's when I went online to figure out how to make money once and for all. Even though I've tried making money online before, like affiliate marketing programs and multi-level marketing programs, but I basically made no money and I spent more money than I made because I had a lot of monthly fees with those different businesses that I used in the past. Okay. So finally, I found this business last year and I made thousands of dollars so far. I've used that money to travel more, pay off debts, and invest. This is an all-in-one business in a box. You don't have to create anything. We give you digital products in the e-learning industry. You can learn from these products, resell them, and earn 100% profit. And you're going to learn everything you need to know about digital marketing, online marketing, how to build an online business, how to scale your business to 6 and 7 figures, attraction marketing, how to build an email list, how to do email marketing, how to create your own offers, how to monetize your community, how to grow your following on social media, how to grow your social media following from scratch, how to monetize social media. That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn inside of this program and more. You also get free access to our community of over 56,000 people where there's live coaching and mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. We do these 90-day runs and it shows you how to make 30K in 90 days. So every day you get a training from a millionaire mentor to help you with your mindset and your strategy for creating content. Business in a box, and we earn 100% profit per sale because we have master resale rights to these digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. I'm going to show you what everything looks like. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you what this business looks like. I'm going to show you the community. And just let me know if you have any questions, just drop into the comments, okay? And if you want to get started or learn more about this business, go here, 7figuremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Just put in your best email. And if you have any questions, just reply to my emails. Check out all the information and see if this business is a good fit for you. It's helped me make thousands of dollars. I love this business and maybe it's a good fit for you too. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how this business looks. I'm going to show you the website, the sales funnel that we use and the community. I'm going to show you my YouTube channel just to show you the kind of content that I create to promote this business. So you get an idea. Basically what you got to do here to get started and start making money, you got to set up your business. You plug into our community, introduce yourself. The community is there for training and support. And then you're following a 2-hour workday. After you get your business set up, you're following a 2-hour workday, which means you just post at least 3 pieces of content a day to social media. You can also go live. You can copy and paste free ads. For example, my 2-hour workday, basically all I do is post at least 3 pieces of content a day. Usually I post more. Then I go live. I try to go live once a day. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but that's what I try to do. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm doing is I'm posting content. I'm attracting customers. I'm building my email list. Then my automations do the rest. I reply to messages or emails if I have any. And I go through the training in our program. It's really easy to build a business these days. It's never been easier to build a business than it is right now. Okay. Let me just share my screen and I'll show you how everything looks. And if you have questions, let me know. That's my YouTube channel. Now let me show you what this business looks like. This is a sales funnel. These are these pages are out there working for you 24/7. This is how you make money in your sleep, right? So the first page, like someone goes to your link, like if you go to 7figuremonk.com, you're going to go to a page. It's going to be a capture page. It's going to ask you for your email. So you're going to get a page like this. There's different pages you can use. You can also edit the pages, but I wouldn't really edit anything because it's already proven to convert. If you edit everything, then how can you really prove that it works? So I wouldn't edit too much. Here's what the business looks like. You got your capture page. People are going to go here, put their email in, and then they go through your sales funnel. Okay. There's going to be videos that they're going to watch, videos like this. Okay. And so there's going to be videos. Then there's going to be like testimonials. You can see $1,800 day, $10,000 for March, $1,300 day, $1,500 day, $2,000 day, 5,000 in 8 days. That's what's possible because our top selling product as of now is for $900. So that's how people are having $1,800 days because that's just 2 sales. Now, once we launch this $1,400 product, people are going to start having $1,400 days, $2,800 days, and $4,200 days. The only question is, do you want to take part in that? Do you want to have $1,400 days too? Or do you want to watch other people do it? It's guaranteed to happen. I already know because I saw what happened when we launched the $900 product. We made $29 million in sales in 10 months from the $900 product. So what do you think is going to happen with the $1,400 product? It's going to be crazy. Here's another video that people watch. We send out in emails. These two videos are going to answer like 99% of the questions for everybody. Okay. So here's some more testimonials. $900 sale, $7,000 week, first sale, huge win. Holy guacamole, 50K in 2 months. See, that's crazy, right? But like 50K, that's basically, how many sales did she get? She got around 60 sales. So she got about 60 sales, 50K in 2 weeks. That's the potential of this business. That's because they're following our blueprint. 3,000 in 6 days. There you go. Those testimonials are here because people like to see proof that this business works. If you want to see proof, right? So here's the website. People go through the sales funnel, right? They go here, 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 and it always sends them back here because this is where they can buy from you. They click on one of the buttons and then they can purchase one of the products, either the 900 one-time purchase or the other products. Okay, so there's 4 different products that we promote for now. We got the Launchpad, the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, Digital Mastery, and the Legacy Builders. It's 100, 300, 600, and 900. Digital products in the e-learning industry. You're basically selling education. The most valuable thing that we have is education, so it's a good thing to sell. So you can learn and earn. You're learning from these programs, and then you're reselling. 100% profit, earn 300 and 900 a day. How would an extra 300 and 900 per day change your life? 900 a day, that's $27,000 a month. $328,000 a year. Now, when we launch our $1,400 a day one, that's $1,400 a day is $42,000 a month. That's $511,000 a year. 50,000 members, $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. I'm just showing you what this website looks like. You get to use these pages. All of this is already created for you. Just set it up in a day. You earn 100% profit per sale. You become a licensed reseller. You go through this certification training. So you become a licensed official reseller of these programs. And it shows you the do's and the don'ts about how to market these programs, any other offer you want to market online. So everything you learn, like from building this business, is transferable skills that you can use to build any business, okay? Because you're going to learn the fundamentals of sales and marketing inside of our program and inside of our community, okay? Here's testimonial videos that people can watch. This is where you put your bio pictures. You can use AI, ChatGPT to help you write your bio. We teach you how to use ChatGPT. We teach you how to use AI to build your business. If you want to join this program, all you have to do is purchase 2 things. You purchase one of the programs and then you pay $39 for your website. You can get started and your customers can get started with 100, 300, 600, or 900. There's also installment plans. And if you start with the $900 program, then you get all 4 programs. So you get 4 income streams, right? If you start with the $600 program, you only get 3 income streams. You can upgrade at any time too. You can only earn at the level that you're at. If you have any questions about that, drop it in the comments. And here's just pictures. I added my own pictures just to brand it a little bit more. Here's me hanging out with Michelle. She's the creator of this business and she's made around $10 million in 3 months. She does daily mentoring inside of our community. She also does live mentoring in our community. We also have live events. That's how I met her at one of the live events. This business is perfect for you if you want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9 to 5 doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. You're tired of trading time for money and want income that works even when you're not. This is for you. Why this proven process works. You've seen this business model before, but you didn't realize it. It's reselling other people's products. Think of Amazon. They sell so many different products. You can become rich selling other people's products, just like so many people sell Apple phones, even though they didn't create Apple phones, and make thousands of millions of dollars reselling Apple phones, okay? So this shows why master resale rights is better. Master resale rights, we earn 100% profit. No product creation, no risk, no inventory, no shipping, no headaches. Proven demand products, proven to sell. These programs are proven to sell. We sell them every day. If you're doing other business models, affiliate marketing, network marketing, drop shipping, small commissions, plus you got to deal with a lot of crap. If you're doing an offline business, it's going to be expensive. Fulfilled by Amazon, also it's expensive and you got to deal with a lot of crap. Here, you don't have to deal with a lot of stuff. Very simple. You post content, reply to messages, go through trainings. That's pretty much all you got to do. Very simple. You earn 100% profit and high ticket sales, no small commissions, okay? That's why, comparatively speaking, this business model, 100% profit, is more profitable than any other business model out there. Unless you're earning 100% profit, then this is more profitable than in those businesses, because most businesses only earn 10 to 30% profit per sale and have monthly fees. We don't have monthly fees. This is more profitable than any business model out there, unless they're master resale rights too. Even the other master resale rights programs don't have the community and training and support that we have. That's just what I've seen. Haven't seen it. Just being straight up honest. You also get bonuses. You get access to our community for free, where there's live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure incrementers. You get a community builders training to create your own communities. You get a Canva crash course to create content. You get my first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing. If you want to do faceless, you get 200 digital product ideas. So those are all your bonuses. Okay. So now let's say you've made a decision. You're sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, and you've made a decision to start this business. Congratulations. Welcome aboard. So what you did was you purchased one of these programs. And as soon as you purchase one of these programs, you're going to have access to your program. All the products are inside of Kajabi. It's a platform where you can host digital products. Once you're inside, you're going to have your certification training here. Since you want to go through this, you see I finished my certification training. I'm a very good business owner. I finished my certification training. It should only take you like 2 hours. You watch videos and you're going to have a quiz at the end. Very simple quiz. Just make sure you pay attention. Okay. And all these trainings are going to help you build your business. And it's a valuable training. And you got these bonuses. One of the first things you want to do is go inside of your program. Whatever program was the most expensive, go there. You don't have to go through each program individually. Just start with the one that costs the most and go there. Once you're inside of your program, click here to get started. Welcome to the program. It's going to tell you what to expect, all that stuff, like the basics. All you got to do is go through, like this is a recipe. You just got to follow, just go through watch all the videos step by step. It's a recipe, like to build a cake. But now you're learning how to make 7 figures. This recipe teaches you how to make 6 and 7 figures online. Go through all the videos. One of the first things you got to do is set up your website. You got to set up these pages, like I showed you before. One of the first things you got to do is get a domain. Just go to GoDaddy and get a domain and a professional email address, and we show you how to do that. This video shows you how to do it. Okay. Then all the videos are going to show you how to set up your system. You got to attach your payment gateways like Square, Stripe, PayPal, whatever you want to use. Okay. And then you just watch the videos and basically copy and paste your information. It's going to show you what to do, and you're going to set up your system. And you just test your system, go to your website, put your email in, and then make sure your emails are being sent out. Make sure all the links go to the right place, right? You got your business set up. You can set up your business in a day if you're focused. I set mine up in a few hours. After you get your business set up, you just got to go through this training. It's the launch kit for your online business. It teaches you how to get your first sale in 7 days. All right, this is the product. It's the information of the training, plus the community. That's also part of it. This is going to show you how to get your first sale, launching your business, your vision, your 2-hour workday, choosing your social media platform, understanding social media, algorithm, what is attraction marketing, why does it work, who is my customer, questions to ask to help create content, creating a video, storytelling to attract your customer. That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn and more. Once you finish that, get your first sale, then you just go through the rest of the videos on your time, start creating your empire, marketing and social media, discovery method, how to find and attract customers, mastering storytelling, branding, all that kind of stuff. So you just go through these videos on your time. That's it. Now let me show you inside of the community. Here's our community. We got 56,000 people. People join our community every day. The only way you can get inside of our community is by purchasing one of the programs. That means 56,000 people purchase one of these programs. How do they find it? Because people like me are online marketing the program. That's how they found it. So let's go into the win section. Up here, it says write something. You just want to introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. If you have any questions, you want to post a win, you just go here to the top, write something. Now let me show you real-time proof that people are making money with this business. Here we go. $300 sale on day 1. First day, already made a sale. Some people ask, like, how long does it take to make a sale? She made her sale on her first day. Latasha, look at this, $900 sale while I was sleeping. So how do you make money in your sleep? Well, our automated business is out there working for us 24/7. That's how we make money in our sleep. Okay. There's another proof, $1,400 in 9 days for Ariana. Never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd be the person to say I made 24,000 in 9 days. She's saying 24,000 rands because she lives in South Africa. This is a global business. So you can get customers from all part of the world. So she made $1,400 in 9 days, which is 24,000 rands. I don't know what that means. I've never been to South Africa, so I don't know how much that is worth, but they're getting paid in American dollars. So if you get customers from overseas, they get paid in American dollars, which is great. Okay. $300 on the first day of the 90-day run for Lana. $300, guys, first day of the 90-day run. And she's already made her first sale. Here's another one. My first sale for Anna, first sale, guys, $900. There you go. So there's 30 posts per page and we have 31,000 pages of wins. Do the math. That's a lot of wins. People post any kind of win they want to post, but I like the money wins. And I share the money wins on my social media. I'm like, hey, check it out. She made $1,800 today, or she made $900 today. Okay. So in our classroom, we have more training getting started, like 90-day runs. We have a 30-day momentum map. We got mindset training. You can watch the mentoring Zoom replays. If you miss a live call, we got social media training. We got content vault. We got 6 figures in 6 months. The calendar shows you when we have our next live events. You can see the calendar. See, we got all these live events here. So like we have a mindset training tomorrow, which will be great. We have a millionaire mentoring legacy builder every Monday. We got a Facebook training with Victoria. She's a 6-figure income earner, so that'll be good. That's a good one. We got some good trainings coming up, which is really cool. And that's the community. So like I said, get started, set up your business, plug into our community, follow the 2-hour workday, post content, go live. If you don't want to go live, just post content, or you can also post free ads. So here's an example of me posting content for my business. You can start a YouTube channel just like me and post content for your business. And over time, when you have enough followers and enough people are watching your videos, YouTube will also pay you money just to post content. It's called monetization, guys. Content is king. So here's my videos. What you're watching right now is a long form video. It's over 10 minutes. You can see all about my business. I'll do shorts, all about the business. You can see my shorts that I do, right? I go live on YouTube and I TikTok simultaneously. You can see my lives are recorded here as well. People can watch the replay. You can also post written content. This is like a campaign, right? Because we're launching our new product. So for the next 2 weeks, I'm just going to be promoting the launch. Okay. So I created this image with AI. I created this with AI too. This is what I love about YouTube. Now you can use any social media platform, but YouTube, you can also do written posts. Okay. They have everything. So here's a written post. Here's a motivation post. See, sometimes I do inspiration, motivation, value. I'm not pitching my business at all. And then other times I'm pitching my business. This is pretty much what I do. Money flows to me with ease and joy. Starve your fears so your future can eat. These are just value posts, just giving people motivation, inspiration, insights, stuff like that. Success is more about persistence than genius. Yeah, you got to be consistent. So money responds to clarity, not confusion. You don't need more inspiration. You need more execution. You want to be a source of positivity, right? People should go to your page and leave feeling good, like a better person. So always spread positivity, tips, training, advice, motivation, inspiration, and then pitch your business too. Let's do a combination of all of these. Okay. So yeah, to get started, guys, or you, to get started, just go here, 7figuremonk.com. Link is in the description. Put in your best email, check out the information. This may or may not be a fit for you. Just check it out. If it's a fit for you, just get started as soon as possible. The faster you get started, the faster you're going to make money and be free. Money buys freedom in this world. This is how it is. So make sure you like this video, share this video with somebody who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. God bless.